Hi everyone, it's Tammy and it's time to do my Boxy Charm unboxing. This is a fun box that I get monthly that they give you 5 full-sized beauty products, and it's really fun because I don't know what I'm getting and I just really enjoy kind of the surprise of it all. And it looks like I got a coupon this time for ready for a flash facial, $10 at the Ulta Skin Bar. And this is a list of all the things that I got, so I'll leave that out here. But let's see. First is the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask, Nourishing Prebiotic Green Mask. And let's see, that says, get a shot of green goddess, I love green goddess salad. That must be what I'm thinking of. Get a shot of green goodness with this treatment mask that nourishes, smooths, and brightens for softer, smoother, and more radiant skin. The retail price on this is $35. And it's full-sized and it's closed, so I'm not going to open it because I do have a lot of masks and I don't like to open them all until I'm ready to use them. But this is very nice. What is this? I have no idea what this is. Ooh, it's brushes. Ooh, there's a large eye blending brush, a precision crease brush, and a foundation brush, it says. So 3-piece brush set by Luxie creates the perfect look with your new eco-friendly Luxie brush set. Apply foundation with the Luxie 510 foundation brush, which I guess is probably the biggest one. I don't know. Yes, this is the foundation brush, the middle one. And then blend your eyeshadow with the Luxie 250 large eye blending brush and precisely apply color to the crease with the Luxie 246 precision crease brush. And these retail for $30. So this one is a foundation brush. I never knew that's what this was. Ooh, it's very soft. And I've had some Luxie brand before in my boxes and they are great. And then I love these big eyeshadow brushes. And then I never knew that this was, I thought this was like an eyeliner brush. I'm dumb. Not really. I just don't know all the stuff about the makeup stuffs. And cleansing spa water contains natural herbal essences. So what's this say? This retails for $17, which is insane. I would never spend $17 on this, but it says these convenient cotton cleansing spa water cloths remove waterproof makeup and impurities while nourishing skin with mineral-rich cleansing spa water. So it's nice, but there's no way I would ever spend $17 on this. I'm going to open it because I don't know how much I'll use them, but there's only 10 cloths. Are you kidding me? $17. No thanks. But, you know, it'll be nice to travel with. Ooh, this looks pretty. Butter London. I like the wood look. So this says Natural Goddess Eyeshadow Palette. Serving queendom realness, bring out your inner goddess. Ooh, oh my goodness. In Butter London's vibrant Natural Goddess Eyeshadow Palette. Enchant with 6 highly pigmented, long-lasting shades, whether you're feeling like a diva or a temptress. These cruelty-free shadows pair effortlessly to create imaginative looks that will make a powerful entrance. And these retail for $32. And I'm not sure that I will wear most of them, but they are pretty. I really like the Diva and the Star. I don't know, this might be a gift because I'm not sure that I would wear them enough to make them worth my while. And look at that. That looks like a bruise, I think. Yeah, I don't know. That's not really my thing. My daughter might get into it though, so I'll keep that for her. And then this one is Tartist Glitter Lip Paint. The sheer lip gloss is infused with shimmering glitter and delivers a luscious, multi-dimensional, and high shine finish. It can be worn alone or on top of your favorite lippy as a topper. The reflective glitter gives your lips a fuller look while the sunflower seed wax and mineral pigments coat, soothe, and soften the lips. This retails for $20. I didn't expect it to be colored like gold like that. Oh, but it's not too colored on. It looks pretty nice. It's very shimmery, and it does feel a little greasy. I'm gonna put some on. It feels all right on, but it is very lip glossy. I know some people don't like lip gloss because it will, like, it gets your hair caught in it and stuff when it's blowing. My hair isn't quite long enough to do that really, but I know that there are a lot of people who aren't a big fan of lip gloss, but I've never minded it. So I might like this. It smells good. I don't know if it's supposed to, but it smells really good. Gosh, it almost smells like chocolate even. I wonder if I'm making that up. But it's nice. I'm kind of afraid to, this is in the color Strike Gold. I'm kind of afraid to keep it out because I don't know if I will use it or if I'll give it away, but I might just keep that. And this, I love the packaging. I think it's beautiful, and it has such great potential for great colors, but honestly, I'm just not into these colors. But they are very fall-like and pretty, and I can see my daughter rocking them. So I'll probably give that to her. Maybe I'll send it to her in a care package when she goes back to school. But I think I will use these brushes. But I think I'm going to keep them in here just because I don't need them quite yet. So that's how I kind of like to do it, so that I make sure that I know that they're still new. And like I said, I will use this. So 4 out of the 5 things I might just keep. Not too bad. So thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.